Now, I got an idea. I have a brand new Sony GS subwoofer and a brand new Sony GS amp and a brand new Sony GS sub amp and a brand new Sony GS front speaker. And what I want to do is I want to run a contest and give that stuff away. But I need to make sure it's like not Facebook, but Instagram and YouTube friendly. So we're gonna try to figure out a giveaway for this whole Sony system, and then if you're we can have a one-day build where you bring your car here, and we'll do a one-day build. Gary will photographer, do the photography stuff like that. But I got to figure out how to do it because I don't want you guys to like be mad at me if it doesn't work out for you, and then get mad at me, and then I didn't do it right, and then I get sued, and then like homeless, and I lose all my cars, health, and my daughter. Oh yeah, unalive myself, and then my daughter becomes a person of the night, and then Jessica is worried about her. She starts taking drugs, so I don't want Jessica to become a drug addict because of this contest. So stay tuned. Welcome back. Hi. Today we're gonna work on the amp rack on the Tesla again. We're gonna do a couple of the panels and then start on the lighting on that car. And I want to show you guys something. This is kind of neat. This is a car we built a while ago with 4 JBL. There's 4 JBL subwoofers for the spare tire that we put vertically, so they fire in this orientation, and it's really fucking loud. So shout out to our customer, good customer of ours, who let us borrow this car. I forget his name, Joe Jackson. Very cool guy. Thank you so much. You guys are gonna see more of this on our channel later this week. We're gonna do some lights in it, just a really quick, fast lighting job, and then we're gonna take it apart, put it back together. So that's it. All right, guys. We have this very nice high fucking pile carpet that matches the Tesla perfect. And what I want to do is I want to carpet just little pieces of this right now. These guys that go right on the sides here. We're gonna carpet this on the other side. And then we're gonna actually carpet the platform. This platform that everything sits on, this side here. We're gonna carpet as well, just so that everything in here kind of matches. And then we'll have a top piece. We can probably build that top piece today. Just get all this stuff out of the way real quick.
2 hours later.
All right. We're just gonna put the trunk together just for a little bit here so we can build one piece. Making trim. Right there. Alright, so this is the whole piece from the bottom. Okay, now all we need to do is make a window design. A window design. That's all we have to do is window design. What we're going to do now is we're going to see if this kind of lines up in the car evenly. Now, here's the trick. since we know it all lines up, we need to figure out where our centerpiece lines up, how it's gonna look. Take this out, and we can just get a look. Get a look-skies. Look-sies. I think that's gonna be pretty darn good. Pretty darn good.
Yep.
Just like that. What do you think, Mr. Gary?
Pretty good.
Alright, so we're going to talk about what I just did and why it's so important. So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap this part. This part has to sit flush against something else. We don't rabbit this out and give that material a place to go, it's going to make that piece kind of bulge up. And that's what we want. That's not what we want to do.
It's all ready for no.
Yeah, so perfect match of the carpet. See that?
Yes.
Perfect match. So we just need to do the top piece, just this right here, and then the other two pieces, and you guys can kind of probably end up seeing a lot of what's going on here, and then might be off to the end of the road. All right, so we're getting close, guys. You got carpeted panels. Look at how well they integrate. They look exactly like the factory pieces, right? We got to do our little trim plate here. There's a little trim piece that goes on the back of this guy as well. This doesn't actually sit like this. It sits a little different. And then guess what? Just wire it up and go bye-bye time. Go bye-bye time. So we're getting to the end of it, guys.